Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to reset iPhone sound settings. If you're experiencing issues with sound on your iPhone, resetting the sound settings can help resolve them. While there isn't a specific reset sound settings option, you can adjust related settings and reset all settings to address sound issues. Here's how to do it. First, check and reset sound settings. Adjust volume. Use the physical volume buttons, or just go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, or Sounds on other models. Ensure the ringer and alert slider is set to an appropriate level. Reset Equalizer or EQ settings. Open Settings again, Music, EQ, and set it to off. Lastly, reset all settings. If issues persist, reset all settings to restore sound-related defaults. Just go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset. Tap Reset all settings and confirm it. This action resets system settings, including sound, but does not delete your data. By following these steps, you can effectively reset and troubleshoot sound settings on your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.